Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to change your fan speed on an Nvidia graphic card. So basically you just need one application, and that application is called MCI Afterburner. You want to go to that site, and here of course you're gonna accept these cookies. Here you can go and download the Afterburner application, and keep in mind to, like they say, stay away from the fake Afterburner sites, because that is the easy way to break your expensive or not so expensive graphic card. But once you click here, you're gonna download the application and you will be able to change core clock, memory clock, power limit, temperature limit, core voltage, and of course the fan speed, power limit and temp limit. So, and here you can see the fan speed, of course. So keep in mind that it says MCI here, but it works with every Nvidia card. So yeah, throw us a like and subscribe for more useful tips.